The staffs are lovely. Considering that I'm a mature student, I never thought today is going to come.
The main highlight for me was getting to know new people and being introduced to some of my now best friends.
Just getting used to the place, seeing what's all around, living by the sea, that's a real highlight. It's lovely to live by the sea.
The staff restaurant, just fab. I enjoyed every second of it.
It's really homely here, so it just feels like you're at home.
Yeah, I was hoping to do masters because I love this place so much. I don't want to leave.
Definitely do it. It's a safe place. It's lovely to be here.
It's extremely beneficial to study here. The people are amazing, the lecturers are amazing. The work you do here has an impact on your future and it's extremely beneficial.
Come. All I can say, come is a lovely unit to start with, and then the degree itself, Childhood Studies, is a very good degree.
Definitely do it. It set me up for the future perfectly, and it's one of the best decisions I've made.